Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The best Converse Laces is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for elevating your iconic high-top Chuck Taylors, transforming them from a classic staple into a personalized statement piece that truly reflects your unique style and personality, ensuring your footwear stands out from the crowd with effortless flair and undeniable charm. Number 5. Xpand no-tie elastic shoelaces. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional shoelaces. Our innovative elastic laces offer a quick and easy solution for everyone. Designed to fit everyone, these laces are perfect for adults and kids alike. Enjoy a universal fit for all your footwear needs. Featuring patented lace anchors, they lock securely in place, ensuring your shoes stay put during any activity. No more loose laces. Ideal for sneakers, athletic shoes, and training shoes, they provide comfort and convenience for your active lifestyle. Experience the freedom of movement. With 52 inches of stretchable material, these laces adapt to your foot for a customized and comfortable fit. Get ready to step out in comfort. Transform your favorite shoes into slip-on wonders with these no-tie elastic laces. It's time to upgrade your footwear experience. What we like? Tired of tying and readying your laces? These offer ultimate convenience with a patented locking system. If you value speed and security, especially for kids or during athletic activities, these are a game changer. What people say. These shoelaces are the perfect length for Converse high tops, making them easy to tie and adjust. The material is durable and holds up well to frequent wear and tear, ensuring they last a long time. They come in a variety of colors, allowing for customization and a fresh look for your Converse. Number 4. Flat shoelaces, 5/16 wide. Upgrade your footwear with these durable flat shoelaces. Designed for both athletic and casual wear, they offer a secure and stylish fit. These laces are ideal for your favorite running sneakers or sturdy boots. They provide the perfect length and width for a reliable tie every time. Featuring a 5/16-inch width, these laces offer a substantial look and feel. They are designed to stay put and complement a variety of shoe styles. Whether you're hitting the track or the trail, these laces add a touch of style. They are built to withstand daily wear and tear. Available in convenient packs, these shoelaces are a simple yet effective way to refresh your shoes. Grab a set and experience the difference. What we like? Looking for a classic and reliable shoelace? This pack provides durability and a standard flat profile that works well with most athletic sneakers. If you need a no-fuss, dependable replacement for your active footwear, this is a solid choice. What people say. These laces are a perfect length for Converse high tops, making them easy to tie and adjust. The material is durable and holds up well to frequent wear and tear, ensuring they last a long time. They come in a variety of colors, allowing for customization and matching different outfits. Number 3. Flat shoelaces for sneakers and Converse. Upgrade your footwear with these high-quality flat shoelaces. They are designed for durability and a secure fit. These laces are the ideal replacement for your favorite sneakers. They offer a classic look and reliable performance. Give your Converse a fresh new look with these perfectly sized replacement laces. They ensure your shoes stay stylish and comfortable. Featuring a 5/16-inch width, these laces provide a balanced look and feel. They are designed to fit most standard eyelets. Get great value with this pack, which includes 2 pairs of shoelaces. Keep a spare or refresh both your shoes at once. Replacing your old laces is simple and quick with these versatile options. They are designed for easy threading and tying. What we like? Need to refresh your Converse high tops? These are designed to be the perfect replacement, offering a clean, flat look. If you're aiming to restore the classic aesthetic of your favorite Chucks, this pack is ideal. What people say. These laces are a perfect length for Converse high tops, making them easy to tie without being too long. The material is durable and has held up well to daily wear, showing no signs of fraying. They fit perfectly into the eyelets of my Converse high tops, staying securely in place throughout the day. Number 2. Flat athletic shoelaces. Upgrade your footwear with our high-quality flat athletic laces. Designed for durability and style, they're the perfect addition to any pair of sneakers. No matter your sneaker type, these laces offer a perfect fit. They are available in multiple sizes to ensure compatibility with all your favorite shoes. Express your personal style with our wide range of colors. Find the perfect shade to match your sneakers and make them stand out. Crafted for performance, these laces are built to withstand daily wear and tear. Enjoy long-lasting quality and reliability with every step. Replacing your old laces is simple and quick. Give your sneakers a fresh new look in minutes with these versatile and easy-to-use laces. What we like? Wanting to customize your sneaker look? With multiple sizes and a vast array of colors, these laces offer great versatility. If you enjoy matching your laces to your outfits or simply want options for any sneaker in your collection, explore these. What people say. The shoelaces are durable and have held up well with frequent use. They fit perfectly on Converse high tops and don't slip or come undone easily. The material is high quality and feels substantial, not flimsy at all. Number 1. Flat shoe laces, athletic replacement strings. Introducing our durable flat shoe laces, perfect for your athletic footwear. These laces are designed to withstand the rigors of your active lifestyle. Whether you're hitting the track or just running errands, these are the ideal replacement strings for your sneakers and running shoes. They provide a secure and comfortable fit. With a 5/16 width, these laces offer a secure fit that stays put. You won't have to worry about them coming undone during your activities. Designed for everyone, these replacement strings are suitable for both men and women. Give your favorite shoes a fresh new look and feel. Upgrade your footwear with these high-quality laces. They are the perfect solution for keeping your shoes functional and stylish. What we like? Seeking a practical and cost-effective solution for your athletic shoes? This pack offers 2 pairs of standard flat laces, perfect for running shoes and general sneakers. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday replacement that won't break the bank, consider this option. What people say. These laces are the perfect length for Converse high tops, making them easy to tie and adjust. The material is durable and holds up well to frequent wear and tear, ensuring they last a long time. They come in a variety of colors, allowing for customization to match different outfits or personal styles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.